Learning can be done best when students enjoy what they do without thinking that they are learning. And for students, Minecraft is super fun. It helps students to learn more about subjects like English, science, history, computer science, and so on. Students love Minecraft as they can use something that they like doing outside the classroom and incorporate with learning. So let's get started. First, make sure you download Minecraft Education app. Sign in and then start the lesson. Teachers can find sample lessons, starter worlds, and also create their own lessons, and no matter what subjects you teach and the age of your students. Teachers can use it in personalized learning, for group work, for pair work, and even as a home task. Let's have a look how Miras and Asanali are doing their home task to revise new words, try to use them in their speech, and remember the correct spelling.
So what do you think about the rooftop?
Well, I don't know. I've been out of ideas lately. Maybe you have a suggestion?
I think we should make it out of cobblestone, with a thing on the edge of our house. I forget how it's named. A hanging.
Do you mean overhang?
Yeah.
You want to do a little overhang?
Yeah.
Oh, cobblestone. It's like two B's, right? Cobble, double B. Stairs.
Hey, catch the stairs.
Thank you.
Minecraft is a game of many possibilities. It encourages creativity and it has plenty of opportunities for learning English.